When it comes to preparing food, air fryers have become an extremely popular option, and for some good reasons. And in this video, we'll go over what makes them a must-have appliance for your kitchen. If you're watching this on YouTube, be sure to click the link in the description after the video to shop our full lineup. The reason air fryers have become so popular is they're a healthier alternative to deep frying, since they use little to no oil and your food still gets that same crispy, crunchy outside as it gets with deep frying. The flavor won't be exactly the same since your food's not actually cooking in the oil, but it's pretty close and much better for you. Air fryers work by using a heating element to superheat the air inside the cooking cavity while a fan circulates that hot air around the food at a high rate of speed. This process, along with a light layer of cooking oil, helps keep your food juicy on the inside and gives it that crispy exterior that we enjoy so much. If the process sounds familiar, that's because it's the same as most convection ovens. In fact, lots of convection ovens available today also come with an air fry option, making your oven a more versatile appliance. The drawback with having this feature in a normal-sized oven is it takes longer to preheat. That's where tabletop air fryers come in handy. They can provide the same results, but because the cooking cavity is smaller, they heat up much faster. That's a big benefit when you only have a limited amount of time to prepare your food. Plus, just like full-sized ovens, you can also find tabletop air fryer models that are multi-purpose with options to bake, broil, toast, or even reheat. When it's time to choose which one's right for you, there are a few things to keep in mind. First, take into account the capacity. If you typically entertain large groups, make sure your air fryer can handle the amount of food you're looking to prepare. Second, double check what you'll be using it for. If it's just for air frying, then a basic model might just be fine. But if you're someone who likes to bake and broil as well, you'll want to look into a model that has more cooking options. It can potentially take the place of several small appliances and save you precious counter space. Finally, consider the cleaning process. Looking at the baskets, cooking cavities, and lids can give you a better idea of how difficult the job might be. If you still have questions on any of the fryers we carry, don't forget to contact an expert right here at Apt. We're always happy to help. Thanks for watching.